You have made it to Module 1. If you are watching this video, then I think you have navigated Canvas in the right way to get to the Module 1 overview. And so I think after this first module, you sort of get a feeling for what each one of the modules are going to look like. Of course, if you've seen in the syllabus or on the course schedule, our course is going to be broken into 8 modules. Essentially, every module you have 2 weeks to complete. And so if you're kind of thinking about how you're going to navigate the course, I would always just start here at the module overview. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm just going to kind of give you an introduction on kind of maybe what to expect, what the module overview is going to be able to tell you, and sort of the expectation for the next 2 weeks for you. Now, basically, when we were developing this course, we really broke the course. Every module has 3 components, right? There's going to be a learning component. You're going to learn about spectroscopy. You're going to learn about the applications of spectroscopy. The second component that's going to be in every one of the modules is some sort of teaching component, right? The ultimate goal for us is for you to take this knowledge about spectroscopy and bring it back to your classroom and use ways to incorporate it into your classroom. So each one of the modules is going to have some sort of teach component, if you will. And then the third component in each one of these modules is going to be a lab component. So not only do we want you to be able to articulate and present spectroscopy, we're also going to give you hands-on experiments that you can also take back to your classroom to demonstrate some of these spectral concepts. And so when we're thinking about this module overview, we're always going to be thinking about those 3 components. Now, down below, there should be a PDF that says Module 1 Overview. If you download that PDF, it sort of gives you an introduction to the module overview, or what to expect in this module. You're also going to see a bunch of learning objectives, and then you're also going to see the what is due component of the module, which is probably the most important for some of you guys. And so what you're going to do now is you're going to move at your own pace for the next 2 weeks. Essentially, the goal is just to complete all of the what is due components. Now, I wanted to make sure that we listed all the learning objectives. So that way you have, as you're working through this module overview, you can start checking off these learning objectives and say, okay, I can see now that we've addressed this one and we've addressed this one. And so we really wanted to make this a really comprehensive class that you can work at your own pace, yet get everything that you need to learn about spectroscopy and bring it back to your classroom. And so for this first week module, we'll have a couple discussion posts, we have a lab to work on, and you're actually going to create one of your first learning materials of the semester. So hopefully that clarifies a little bit. So always start with the module overview. There'll be a PDF there that you can just simply download the PDF, and then you have 2 weeks basically to complete everything within that module. If you have any questions, of course, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have fun. Enjoy it.